And welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this homemade aloe vera and shea butter moisturizer for massive hair growth. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sylvia. I make DIY skincare and hair care products, and if you've been following me on this channel, you'll notice that I always upload leave-in conditioners and deep conditioners that will help you retain moisture on your hair. So let's get started. So to make this homemade aloe vera and shea butter moisturizer, I have my distilled water measured out in my beaker, and for my distilled water I'm using 23 grams of distilled water, and the next I added into my beaker is my aloe vera juice. And for my aloe vera juice I'm adding 20 grams of aloe vera juice. So guys, at this point I'm mixing my glycerin and xanthan gum together. For my glycerin, I have 3 grams of glycerin and a gram of xanthan gum. I'm going to mix it, and this xanthan gum will serve as a thickener for this conditioner. So at this point, after mixing my xanthan gum and glycerin, I'm adding it to the distilled water and aloe vera mixture, and I'm going to mix it to combine the both. So at this point, I'm moving to my oil fix. My oil fix, the first I'm added in my beaker is my emulsifying wax. Emulsifying wax helps to combine the water and the oil together. Then the next I added is my cetyl alcohol, and for my cetyl alcohol I used 2 grams of cetyl alcohol, and emulsifying wax I used 7 grams of emulsifying wax. And next I'm adding is my shea butter. Shea butter, I'm using 22 grams of shea butter for this. And after that, I added my grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight oil. It doesn't weigh down the hair, but it helps moisturize it. Because it's a lightweight oil, it will not clog your pores, especially when you use it on your scalp. So at this point, after adding those two together, then the next is to double boil it, put it in a hot water bath, and to melt the oils and butters, which I already did. And at this point I'm mixing it. After mixing with my wicks for a while, then I'm going to move with my immersion blender. Immersion blender will help mix this very well, and it will thicken faster. So what I will do at this point, I will mix for like 2 seconds and I will stop. Then leave it to stay for a while. Then I move in again with my immersion blender. This way I don't keep blending for too long. So at this point, I'm adding my vitamin A oil. Vitamin A oil is an antioxidant for this conditioner. So I'm adding a gram of vitamin A oil, and the next is my D-panthenol, 1 gram of D-panthenol, and next is my preservative, 1 gram of preservative. So remember, when you're using a preservative, always follow the manufacturer's instructions so that you don't go overboard with the quantity you're adding to your conditioner. So for this leave-in conditioner, this aloe vera and shea butter moisturizer, what I use is liquid Jamon Plus. So after mixing it, the next I'm adding is my essential oil. Here I use vanilla essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. And after that, I'm going to mix it. At this point, you notice it's still watering kind of. So I'm going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to cool down a little. So guys, at this point, this is my aloe vera and shea butter moisturizer. And I love the consistency. I love how thick it is. And thus, once you apply it on your hair, it helps retain moisture. Your hair can stay even a week without moisturizing again. However, I would advise use this twice a week for maximum results. So guys, at this point, I'm going to transfer it into a sterilized container. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you've been following me, please don't forget to share this video and share it to family and friends, those you think that will be interested in this aloe vera and shea butter moisturizer. And thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And don't forget to use the comment section if you have questions relating to this moisturizer, or you have any conditioner in mind, any treatments, hair treatments you have in mind and you want me to make a video on that, don't hesitate to just drop it on the comment section. I will read your comment and I'll be happy to make a video on your request. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.